4 லாங்குவேஜ் தெரிஞ்சு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பயங்கரமா பண்ணுவேன். இங்கிலீஷ் ஒண்ணு, மலையாளம் ஒண்ணு, தெலுங்கு ஒண்ணு. தெலுங்கு நல்லாவே பேசுவேன் ஓரளவுக்கு.
பேசு தெலுங்குல அண்ணா கிட்ட பேசு.
தெலுங்கு மாட்டாடுனா
చెప్పండి.
ஏய் பயங்கரமா பேசுறாரு பாரு.
So you are born and brought up in Hyderabad.
Yeah, born and brought up.
Super.
Local. How about you guys? Like, where are you coming
So
from?
we are from Chennai and we are photographers. So we are
Photographers?
Yeah.
Yay!
So we are having wedding here.
Wedding photography.
Yeah.
So now you are going to the client?
No, we are going to hotel today. So already we have booked 2 cabs. So
Okay.
3 of them are going in front and we are 3.
We are following them.
Yeah.
What is your business name? I mean,
Dream Woods.
Dream Woods. Wow. Are you like good photographers? Best photographers in Tamil Nadu?
See, even we are passionate about photography. So try to give you the best quality, best capturing moments.
Okay.
See, there are many good photographers. But you have to decide whether we are good or not.
You have a page or something?
Yeah, we have Insta page.
Would love to see your photos.
Sure.
I have a lot of professional photographers
Okay.
whom I know. So that way I was asking you.
Yeah.
See,
You
it's
can,
like...
just you can type Dream Woods photography.
Sure.
You can see Insta.
Sure.
It's been almost 15 years we are in this field.
Okay. So you guys work for this thing, or like you guys are like partners type?
I am the owner and I got
Achha.
one more partner.
Okay.
We don't consider everyone as a staff
Okay.
in our office. Each one is a partner and each one is to work.
Yeah, everybody is there to create good work. That's all. How do you know such good Hindi?
Basically, I am from Rajasthan.
Achha.
Born and brought up in Chennai. It's been almost more than 90 years.
Okay.
We settled in Chennai.
Okay.
My great grandfather came to Chennai.
பாட்டம்
We
முப்பாட்டம்.
are the 4th generation, and my kids are 5th generation.
Whoa. Very nice. And very recently I met an insurance broker. That sir was also from the same place,
Chennai.
And he was a Marwadi.
Oh, maybe
So-
Marwadi.
So I was asking him कि sir आपकी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी कैसे है? So he is like trying to explain कि भैया, let's say things are like this.
No, in Chennai now you can find like all the cultures,
Yeah.
all the language. मतलब वहाँ पे तेलुगु भी इतने लोग हैं हम जो हम एरिया में रहते हैं ना, वहाँ पे बहुत जन है.
You go to any Tamil Nadu temple, you'll
Yeah.
find Telugu people.
Yeah.
A lot of Telugu. We were in Kanchi and everybody coming is like a Telugu person only.
It's a good place. Kanchipuram recently they had lot of events of temple.
Yeah.
अच्छा है वहाँ पे.
Even yesterday we met the Kashi Peeth, Kanchipuram Peeth owner.
Oh.
I mean the main priest was
Main
there.
priest.
Yeah. He was also visiting yesterday. And yeah, I've got a video also now. I didn't make a vlog out of it, but we made a short mini vlog kind of a thing.
So how you spend your time like driving plus your job plus your fitness?
I try to balance. Fitness is a passion.
So working hours are?
Working hours are around 12 to 9, 11 to 8 something. I don't drive the whole day.
Okay.
I drive. See, my whole currency is, for me the money is you. I met you. So the people, I met you. I met a new mindset. I met new perspectives. I will discover something new. Maybe discuss something new. Sometimes it's like they don't teach you anything, but still they're teaching you. For example, if a person is not treating you well, you're still learning that, okay, I should not treat anybody like that.
Yeah. Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married. I have a daughter.
How will you spend your time with your family?
I try to balance. But they miss me for sure.
Even we were in Rajasthan last week
Yeah.
for almost 12 days.
Yeah.
We came on 28th. We got few orders and now we are in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
We will be leaving on 12th night.
Okay.
So our journey is like keep on going for events, outstation.
But I think that's a beautiful part as well. Do you love enjoying like traveling and all that?
Yeah. See, even while taking photos also, na.
Yeah.
We don't consider standing for 10 hours, 12 hours at all.
Yeah, because the
we
magic
used to
is...
enjoy, we used to laugh, we used to talk with the client.
Yeah.
We used to make fun of them also.
Yeah.
So what happens is when we interact with the client now,
Yeah.
even they don't get bored.
Yeah.
Otherwise, normally in reception they used to stand 4 hours, 5 hours. They'll say, "Bhaiya, khatam karo yaar, we need to go," and we have to. So we don't make the client feel like that.
Okay. Very nice.
Why coming also, let's keep on talking from yesterday.
I feel the most beautiful part about any profession is basically like loving what we do.
Yeah, you should have passion. See, earning money is the secondary matter.
I mean, that
But
is
you should
important.
love
All our houses run because of money, right?
Money only, yeah.
Depending
So
on
without money, what will happen? Even your friend will not take you outside
100%,
if you don't have
100%.
money. If you have money, everybody will ask, "Mama, chalo, mama, daru payenge." If you don't have, they will be like, "Ah, sare. Every time I will only have to pay. I will not take this guy." I mean, even with friends, there is a limitation, right? They will also run their families with with money.
But as your professional, being IT professional,
Yeah.
driving also, you are like your family.
Yeah.
Even you are like a YouTube blogger. We don't do this much of things.
And also
Maximum-
fitness.
Yeah.
அதை சொல்ல
Maximum
மறந்துட்டீங்கன்றாரு அவரு.
maximum of like spending with family will be on holidays.
Yeah.
See, normally what happens in photography, the events gets only on Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah,
Preferably.
mostly. Yeah, because that's the free time people
Free
have.
time. So normally we don't be at home at all.
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday we will be on shoot. If possible, if it is weekday, we
Yeah.
will spend the time with family.
அதுதான் எங்களை போட்டுறீங்களா அப்புறம் என்ன? சண்டே ஆனா புக் பண்ணிடுறீங்க.
Nice meeting you guys.
ஓ, thank you.
So you have metro here,
Yeah, we have metro. Not the entire city, but yeah, it covers
like
only-
Chennai. Even Chennai, Chennai city has full metro,
Yeah.
but they are extending now 3 more lines. Already we have 3 to 4 lines.
Mhm.
Now they are extending.
So here also they are trying to cover the entire
Super.
city.
Com-
Growing up,
Till
there was
my
no money.
college, I was traveling
You will
from
have to
Bombay.
travel in bus. So now I am bored. I like bikes. I do long rides on bikes. Recently I was like, last year I came to Kollimalai in Namakkal district.
ஆமா.
Hyderabad to
So
Hyderabad
I think
to
you have almost journey or like visit to Tamil Nadu, almost all the temples.
not to main temples, but yeah, I love Tamil Nadu for some reason.
Did you
I
go to Madurai?
Madurai? No, I was
You
nearby.
try, please go and try once.
Recently I have been to Tiruvannamalai. I mean 2 months back.
Oh, okay.
Car trip again.
Super.
This was also a car trip. This Tamil Nadu.
So
We
you
went.
go alone?
No. I usually go with someone mostly. I like being alone, but the point
if
is.
you like to travel to temple now, please do visit once to Madurai. Madurai Meenakshi temple. Palani.
Already, I think recently I saw the board somewhere.
Okay.
We went to Kanchi also, no? So I have seen the board Palani.
Madurai is 2 good temples.
Okay.
Madurai and Tirunelveli.
Okay. Tirunelveli.
So if you go to Tirunelveli, you can like have a good sightseeing of temples. Plus there are a lot of waterfalls.
Okay.
Kutralam. It's
Okay.
almost nearby. It will be around 50 or 40 kilometers.
Okay.
You can enjoy a lot, and the best food of Madurai and Tirunelveli.
Okay.
So Madurai you will have a lot of non-veg,
Okay.
but in Tirunelveli you can good vegetarian food.
Okay. I think there are a lot of temples in Tamil Nadu.
A lot of them.
There is a temple in every street almost.
See now what happens is there are many apartments.
Yeah.
So they used to construct their own temple in their apartments now.
Yeah.
Before it was like you will have 1 or 2 temples in area.
Yeah.
Now each apartments have their Jain temple, Hindu temple. So almost all the apartments have their own temple now.
Apartments having temples.
Yeah. They used to like invest more than like 3 crores, 4 crores for the temple itself.
There are
saying
so
the
many
basic
beautiful churches as well in Tamil Nadu.
One church is in idla beach station kitta idu
பெசநகர்.
Besanagar. Besanagar அப்புறம் இதுரா
வேளாங்கண்ணி.
Velangani. Yeah.
Velangani Church. It's very beautiful.
Velangani and Besanagar are the 2 good church.
World level popular is வேளாங்கண்ணி church.
Even in Christmas you can't even walk there.
இந்த ஊரோட
Speciality
yeah.
biryani. But taste different ரா. நம்ம ஊர் மாதிரி இருக்காது. இங்க எப்படி தெரியுமாடா பிரியாணி? நம்ம ஊர் மாதிரி mix பண்ணி இல்ல. They have gravy separate, rice. அது mix பண்ணி அது மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க.
You like the biryani here?
No, they are like in Chennai you won't believe. In each state you will have 5 to 6 biryani shops.
Specialty. Acha.
No, not speciality. The consumption of biryani is too much over there.
Okay.
In last 5 years.
Okay. Is this the first time you guys are coming to Hyderabad?
No. Normally I have been here 4 to 5 times in Hyderabad,
Yeah.
and I am again coming to Hyderabad on 28th. From here I am going to Jalna.
Jalna.
Yeah.
कुछ है क्या सर, मतलब जालना
वहाँ पे हमारा मरासा का समाधि है ना,
ओके
तो आई हैव डायरेक्ट ट्रेन टू जालना फ्रॉम चेन्नई. While returning, I will come to Secunderabad. From here, we are going to another temple, and from there we will go to Chennai. From my family, at least every 2 months, each and every person used to come to Secunderabad. From Secunderabad, they will go to Jalna. One more temple is here. I don't remember the name. It's around 40 to 50 kilometers, Jain temple from Secunderabad.
Of course, like for me, exploring a city doesn't mean landing there. For me, exploring a city means you stay there, you see the food, you see the people.
So we came last month for a pre-wedding shoot.
Okay.
We stayed here for 2 days. We went for a shoot. The other day it was free. We went to Charminar. We had a full day over there. We enjoyed. We returned. Normally we used to stay whenever we go to any other state now.
Yeah.
We used to keep 1 day extra.
Okay.
We just relax, chill out. We used to go outside and we'll return. In India, there are like not many content creators, like travel content creators.
There are so many, man.
No. I'm saying like that. How we are doing right now?
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
It's rare.
Yeah, maybe 1 or 2 only. But
you know
in
TTF?
abroad,
TTF.
Do you know? Oh.
TTF is what, temple or something?
no. He's also a YouTuber,
Okay.
Vlogger.
Blogger.
bike blogger.
Okay. But I am like in Hyderabad. If there are some people, I think I'm a part of a lot of groups,
Oh.
so I know where they are going, what they are doing, and all that. Of course.
But in abroad, there are a lot of drivers who used to have like they are doing vlogging while driving.
Yeah, and I feel like a bird when I'm on the bike. So it's not going fast, nothing. It's about being in your space, feeling happy, and
This is the regular climate here.
no, this is like a bit colder, but usually the climate is good. Not extremely hot, not extremely cold.
12 degree, I think.
Where?
Here in the early morning, around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Even Rajasthan it was like around 8 and 10. But we don't get this type of climate in Chennai.
Chennai is always sweating when you're on holiday.
It's sweating almost. But right now, last like few months, it's chill. Not like this.
Yeah.
It will be around like 18, 20. Early in the morning, it may be 15. But not chill like this.
I mean, yeah, 2 days back, even in Kanchi, just 2 days back I was there. I am like telling myself, man, what a place. It was beautiful.
You had Kanchipuram, Italy?
Yeah, I had. There was some beautiful place. Tatte Idli is Bangalore, no?
That is no. In the Italy, Peri Italy sound. See, there is a Italy in Kanchipuram. The Italy weight will be around 1.5 kg or more than 1 kg.
Okay, huh?
It is made only in Kanchipuram.
Okay.
So there are few homes who make and who sell. What they used to do is they used to have a bamboo shelf like that.
Okay.
They used to pour all the batter in that. They used to cook for almost 1 hour. They used to slice. But you can't have more than 1 slice.
So, no.
It's not plain idli. You will have almost like 30-40 ingredients in the idli itself.
Okay.
So you need not chutney, you need not sambar. You can have directly.
But we ate tiffins only mostly in Kanchi. But it was beautiful.
You won't have those idli in hotels.
Okay.
One you will get in the temple itself.
अच्छा.
There are few counters ना, तो वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा आपको.
Okay.
दूसरा है आजू बाजू में जो भी like छोटी जो घर है, so they used to sell in the morning.
Okay.
So next time you go, आप पक्का वो देखना.
Sure, sir. I mean, this has just started, so we'll be going again some temple or the other.
So next time आप मदुरई ट्राई कीजिए, तिरुनेलवेली ट्राई कीजिए.
I mean, the nature in Chennai is like, I mean, entire Tamil Nadu is like beautiful, man.
बहुत अच्छा है, मगर outer में, if you enter city ना, sorry.
See, any city is city only, no?
No, this city is too good. Compared to Chennai, Secunderabad is too clean and too good.
That is there, I mean, like, these are cement jungles, that's all.
मगर आप अगर वही तमिलनाडु में सिटी के बाहर गांव में चलो जाओगे ना, इतना सुंदर है. और if possible, go to once to Elagiri.
Elagiri.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 or 2 temples in Elagiri. It's too old, and it is like hill station, not properly hill station. You need to like.
I've been to Ooty in Tamil Nadu.
See, Ooty अभी तो चलो यार Ooty कोडाइकनाल तो मतलब पूरा खराब हो गया.
Kerala में तो Kerala is another level again.
God of own country.
lot of God's own country.
मस्त है.
It is blessed, I mean.
जन्नत है.
Yeah. And there are so many like not so popular places. There are a lot of places that locals will talk to you about, which are not
in
famous but
Chennai
very
also you
beautiful.
have. चेन्नई में भी बहुत सारे फॉल्स है जो लाइक सिटी से इट्स अराउंड लाइक 70-80 किलोमीटर्स
Okay.
आउटर में है. बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay.
நிறைய இருக்குண்ணா நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி சென்னையில இருந்து ஆந்திரா சைடு போறப்போ
हम
அவ்வளோ
लोग जब
இருக்கு.
लोग चेन्नई से आंध्रा बॉर्डर जाते हैं ना
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा जगह वहाँ पे.
Okay.
बहुत सारे व्लॉगर्स डालते हैं और अभी लाइक अट्रैक्शन की तरह होगा. हाँ तड़ा भी जा सकते हो. वंस यू कम टू चेन्नई ना यू ट्राई टू लाइक आंध्रा बॉर्डर एरिया
Yeah. Yeah.
चेन्नई ना तड़ा देयर इज अ जैन टेंपल आल्सो.
Mm-hmm.
इट्स टू गुड.
Okay. Tell me more about your profession. I mean, what is that factor because of which you became a photographer? I mean,
It's the destiny.
See,
Yes, I
You
am
may say-
become a photographer.
why are you into photography?
See, I have started my
It can't
career
be money.
to-
Don't tell about money.
No, not about money. I started my career with BSc Viscom.
Uh-huh.
Later on, I did my MSc.
Mm-hmm.
Me also
Then I was
BSc
thinking
Viscom.
to be an animator.
Oh.
I tried a lot, but it was not too good.
Okay.
Like you need to keep on working, and we don't like sitting at one system and keep on working. We
Same.
need to explore like you.
Same.
So we started photography in 2009.
Uh-huh.
It's just gradually growing. Now we have team of around like 12 to 15 members.
Wow, man.
We are happy.
Very
See,
nice.
earning is the second part, but we are enjoying.
What about you guys? Like, why photography? You can tell it in Tamil also.
தமிழ் புரியும்.
Tamil Poriyam.
சொல்லு பிரவீன்.
எதனால போட்டோகிராஃபி எடுத்தீங்கன்னு கேக்குறீங்க.
நாங்க
நமக்கு அது
வண்டிங்களா?
அப்படின்ட்டு இல்ல, போட்டோகிராஃபி தான் போகணுன்ட்டு இல்ல, மார்க் ரொம்ப கம்மி, பிரதர் தான் இருக்கு. நமக்கு இது ஒரு ஆம்பிஷனே கிடையாது, பிளாங்கா இருக்கு.
எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காரு.
அதனால பிரதர் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு விஸ்காம் சேர்த்து விட்டாக்கல, அதுல இருந்து ஒரு நம்ம டீம் கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணுவோம். போட்டோகிராஃபி ஓகே, இது ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ஃபீலிங் கொடுக்குது. நிறைய பீப்புள் நம்ம மீட் பண்றோம். அது இல்லாமல் ஃபுட்டும் நம்ம நிறைய இதை வெரைட்டியாக உங்களுது இப்போ மார்வாடிது நிறைய ஃபுட்டு அதில் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
అవును.
அது இல்லாமல் நிறைய கல்ச்சரோட இது உங்களுக்கு புரிய வரும்.
అవును. Yeah. I think I understood it. Very nice. What about you, bro? You don't want to tell? Tamil is good.
கேண்டிவாலா?
So they are in other car. So I said we are enjoying talking
we
here.
are coming with a YouTuber.
Hey, hi.
இவரா
பார்த்தியா இல்லையா? ரமேஷ் அண்ணா வந்துருக்கு ஃபன் பண்ணுறாரு.
Tell him you will see us on YouTube next week.
அண்ணா யூடியூப்ல எங்களை பாப்பீங்க.
இங்கிலீஷை விட்டுனா தமிழே பேசுறாருண்ணா, அவரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணுவாரா?
ஏய் ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் சப்ஸ்கிரைப்.
This is my own brother.
ஒரே ஒரு செகண்ட்.
This is my own brother, my own car. This is your own brother.
Yeah.
Ultimately, I am passionate about it. And how can you turn your passions into your earning source as well?
Yeah.
One thing is passion, but with passion, like if you tell your mummy that I want to only do what I'm passionate about, she will only ask money. Where is money coming from? True or not? Whether it's your wife or anybody,
Yeah,
family runs with
that's
money.
true, that's true.
But if your passion can pay for your this thing, I mean, not in a very economic sense.
Like huge amounts.
Yeah.
But like you can manage.
Yeah, but that support will actually make your family also comfortable, no? That okay, fine, money is coming. So yeah, I'm balancing a lot of things. I mean, I have a family, I have responsibilities and all that. I have EMIs.
Even we too have a lot of
Yeah.
EMIs.
So because of that, I'm not leaving my job. But if there is, yeah, man. Ultimately, it's about so many things, and in the middle of all this, we want to do what we love.
கமிட்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறது நல்லது. கமிட்மெண்ட்ஸ் உங்களை அடுத்த கட்டத்துக்கு கூட்டு போகும்.
Yep.
So you have good subscribers.
Yeah.
7.82k subscribers.
ஓ,
Well, you have almost uploaded 454 videos.
Yeah.
454
Almost 434 videos.
Yeah.
Super.
I mean, I meet a lot of people who are like suddenly going on the bank and they are like, Anna, it's you only, no?
So being in Hyderabad, they used to know, but the person who are coming from outstation will like subscribe you as possible.
See, just 3 weeks back, I had 750 people on Instagram. Just 750.
यहाँ पे क्या है घूमने के लिए लेकिन हैदराबाद पर्टिकुलर?
I mean, you have already been to the places. I mean, Hyderabad, Charminar is one, Golconda is one, Salarjung Museum, Falaknuma Palace.
Golconda is good.
It's all.
It's fort, right?
Yeah, it's an ancient thing.
These people are thinking to go to Ramoji Film City.
It's nice.
It's nice, but at least we need one day to visit there.
Yeah. It will take your entire day.
One hour full of Ramoji.
So there is also one thing like if you're nearby Hyderabad and there's one more place called Sri Salam. Sri Salam is a Lord Shiva temple and Mata.
So how far it is from here?
240 kilometers something.
Oh.
It's
Almost 3-4 hours.
It's a Shakti Peeth and Jyotirling at the same time. Very rare combination.
இங்க எனர்ஜி இருக்கும் இந்த இடத்துல இந்த ஊர்ல.
This Urlo, there is only food and let's say the places I told you about.
Charminar.
Oh.
Charminar, Golconda Palace, Salarjung Museum.
நம்ம போனோம்ல சார்மினார்.
So Charminar is too crowd, man. Too crowd. मतलब biryani famous பா. சென்னையில மட்டும் you will have two or three flavors. 15-20 flavors கிடைச்சிரும் பிரியாணி.
இங்கேயானே?
ஆமா. இங்க தான் இப்போ நம்ம ஊர்ல இட்லி தோசை எப்படி? அதே மாதிரி ஹைதராபாத் is famous for foodனா பிரியாணி தான்.
Even here also you'll find good idli dosa.
Yeah, we had. But like I'm saying for example, how like we used to have idli dosa everywhere in Chennai.
Yeah.
In Hyderabad it is biryani.
Go. But photography at this point is a good financially rewarding business as well.
It is financially rewarding, but what happens before 5 years now,
Yeah.
the equipment was not too high.
Okay.
So normally we used to purchase around like 50,000, 60,000 in a camera.
Okay.
Now if you need a good camera, see, even GoPro is cost you 30-40,000.
Yeah.
So what we purchase is like around 3.5 lakhs. Yeah.
So the risk is also high. If anything falls.
100%. See, you can use the camera for 2 or 2.5 years. After that, at least you have two options. Otherwise, you need to change the shutter, or you need to change the camera, or you need to upgrade. So before it was each company what does is in each 1.5 years they used to launch one camera.
Okay.
Now in 1 year they used to launch almost 5 to 6 cameras. And if you compare the camera and the equipments, almost same the price.
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा equipments.
I can understand. Even I have like some small cameras. I have Insta360.
Even I have Insta360. What happens
X3,
is
X4. Which one?
X3.
Same X3. Even I have.
तो क्या होता है अभी इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? पहले क्या है सिर्फ वी यूज्ड टू यूज फ्लैश, एक वीडियो लाइट उतना हो जाता.
Yeah.
इस वीडियो लाइट हमारे पास आप नहीं मानोगे, वी हैव 10 वेराइटीज.
Okay.
इसके लिए वो क्लोजअप्स के लिए अलग, गेटिंग रेडी के लिए अलग. तो आप नहीं मानोगे, वी आर 6 members.
Yeah.
We have almost 22 luggages.
Oh. And again, it's mostly about the extensions and
Yeah.
cameras and all.
So we have 6 luggage for the dress, and rest all the 14 luggage are equipments.
Yeah.
So it is little expensive comparatively before and now.
Okay.
Before क्या होता था, कैम बैग सब आपको 1500-2000 में आ जाता था.
Yeah.
अभी ये जो कैमरा ये बैग देख रहे हो ना,
हाँ.
it costs around 32,000. तो मतलब कितना भी खर्चा करो, like it's like sea, keep on like pouring the money.
Okay. Got it.
2 साल में आपको लेना पड़ेगा रिटर्न. ये क्या यहाँ पे लाइक कैसे फोटोग्राफी इज लाइक गुड.
It's a financially rewarding thing, but again the same thing. The capital costs are more.
वो यहाँ पे बजट लाइक टू एक्सपेंसिव और
I don't know because I have got friends, but I never discussed money with them. But yeah, I am sure that it is.
नाउ इन चेन्नई अभी थोड़ा प्राइस थोड़ा बढ़ा रहे सब. बिफोर इट वाज नॉमिनल एंड वहाँ पे बहुत लाइक कंपटीशन है,
Competition तो सब जगह में.
नहीं, चेन्नई में आप देखो तो यू विल हैव लाइक मोर देन 2000 स्टूडियोज इन
Oh.
चेन्नई. तो क्या आप एक से पूछ रहे एक प्राइस बोलेगा, फिर दूसरे से पूछो वो कम करेगा, तो वो चीज़ है.
But I think mostly people will settle for quality. I mean, there are people who are price sensitive.
अगर settle for quality, they are not more than 35%.
Okay. So even you guys do both the businesses, I guess.
No.
People who are
No.
quality
हमारा
business.
फिक्स्ड है कि ये क्वालिटी देंगे ये है।
बस खत्म बात।
अगर आपकी हम लोग कंपेयर ही नहीं करते सर किसी से।
Exactly.
माई वर्क इज माई वर्क।
Yeah.
और जो भी हम लोग इंस्टा में दिखाते हैं, फेसबुक में दिखाते हैं ना, ये दिखाते हैं कि हम लोग ये वर्क किए हैं। क्योंकि देखो 100% गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको सेम फोटोज आएंगे।
Yeah.
वी विल ट्राई टू गिव यू बेटर ओनली और द बेस्ट देंगे,
Yeah.
मगर उतना टाइम आपको भी देना है।
Yeah. Who are more better at photos, women or men? Giving photos.
पोसेस है
Poses.
100%। 100%।
I agree.
If you rate out of 100 na,
Yeah.
10 will be men, 9 will be women.
Exactly, man.
Now
Men
they-
don't know how to
see, now
click photos.
They are like photos में भी उनको interest नहीं है।
Yeah.
Now they are into only reels.
Okay.
They
Can you
need
make a
reels.
reel? Slow
Yes,
movement, slow
yes,
shots.
yes, yes. Even they used to tell us the concept. भाई मुझे ऐसा लेना है, ये चाहिए। They used to show some samples in Instagram. भाई यही चाहिए मुझे, reels चाहिए, photo नहीं।
Women are
Because they need
very
to
smart when
post
it comes to
at the
that.
same time. मतलब low और तभी now in Chennai we have a few companies who used to take only reels for the wedding in mobile,
Okay.
and they are earning more than us. Like they used to have package of like around 15 reels for a wedding
Uh-huh.
with few concepts
Okay.
like parents के साथ एक reel हो गया,
Okay.
cousins के साथ एक reel हो गया।
Okay.
So they used to have reels, they used to edit on the spot and they give you.
Okay.
And now they started creating their wedding page itself.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't post separately on their wall.
Mm-hmm.
They have a page. बस पेज में पोस्ट करो, they used to share. वो अभी ट्रेंडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे रील्स का। प्री वेडिंग भी अच्छा है, मगर आउट स्टेशन नहीं जाते कोई भी, लाइक बिटवीन सिटी 1 or 2 मे बी। मगर बाकी स्टेट्स में इन केरला, मुंबई में सब क्या दे यूज्ड टू गो टू अब्रॉड
Okay.
फॉर प्री वेडिंग शूट। चेन्नई में इतना भी नहीं करते अंदर।
எல்லாம் ஒன்றா போகலாம் நான் என்ன ஏன்னா இப்படி பண்ணுறேன்
இந்த ஊர்ல லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியலனா சர்வே பண்ண முடியாது போல
பண்ணலாம்டா, ஏன் பண்ண? இங்கே ஹிந்தி எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும்।
Language problem.
ஏய் நீ ஒரு 3 மாசம் இருந்தேன்னா கற்றுப்படா
அது इंटरेस्ट इतना கத்துக்கலாம்।
நாங்க
Your
இப்போ
interest ना you can learn।
இப்போ ராஜஸ்தான்ல
अभी जैसे आपको थोड़ा तमिल आता है, you can understand ना,
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
interested you can learn, but in Chennai they don't want to।
ஆனா இல்ல நான் அப்படி இல்ல,
டேய்,
நான் இங்க தான்
interest
இல்ல இல்ல அப்படி சொல்லல, நான் இங்க தான் வந்து வாழ போறேன் அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பா நான் கத்துக்கிட்டு தான்
அப்படி
ஆகணும்.
இல்லடா,
அந்த ஊர் மொழியை நம்ம கத்துக்கிட்டு தான்
கூட
ஆகணும்.
வர்க் பண்ணானா கூட நீ கத்துக்கலாம்।
ஆமா.
But yeah, knowing some amount of Hindi, like I know Tamil. You, whatever you said, I understood. So my school.
பேசிக்கா ये लोग
ஏய் பேசிக் வந்துட்டு
they are
நமக்கு
working with me more than 12 years।
4 லாங்குவேஜ் தெரிஞ்சு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பயங்கரமா பண்ணுவேன்.
எது இது?
இங்கிலீஷ் ஒண்ணு,
Ah.
மலையாளம் ஒண்ணு, தெலுங்கு ஒண்ணு. தெலுங்கு நல்லாவே பேசுவேன் ஓரளவுக்கு.
பேசி தெலுங்குல அண்ணா கிட்ட பேசி।
தெலுங்கு மாட்டாடுனா
Cheppandana.
ஏய் பயங்கரமா பேசுறாரு பாரு.
அவர் இங்க தான் இருக்காரு, பேச மாட்டாரா?
ஹைதராபாத் வந்து தெலுங்கானா இது
Telangana.
தெலுங்கு அண்ட் ஹிந்தி
ஹிந்தி
ஓகேவா
எல்லா இடத்துலயும் இருக்குடா, நம்ம ஊர்ல இருக்கு, எல்லா ஸ்டேட்லயும்
ஆனா இங்க
இருக்கு।
மெயின் தெலுங்கு தான்
தெலுங்கு தான்
ஆமா இந்த ஊர் தெலுங்கு நம்ம ஊர் தெலுங்கு என்ன இருக்குமா தெரியலையே.
இருக்காது, கொஞ்சம்
நீங்க
டிஃபரெண்ட்।
தெலுங்குலயே பேசுங்க, தெலுங்குல మాట్లాడు.
బాగానే మాట్లాడుతారు కదా మీరు కూడా.
என்ன ஸ்பீடா பேசுறது?
See, ultimately language is what a medium of communication. Of course, like we should be proud of it and everything is there.
my own language is Telugu.
Telugu.
But I don't know Telugu.
Mom is from Telugu, daddy is.
Daddy is mom.
Both. Telugu is nice language. I like Telugu, reading Telugu stuff.
நான் தெலுங்குல படி பண்றது ஒரு
ஆமா, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் தான்டா, உனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தா நீ எந்த லாங்குவேஜ் கூட கத்துக்கலாம்।
I like reading, writing. I like reading books. I write good Telugu.
எப்படி பேச முடியும்?
ஏய் அப்படி இல்லையா நீ
நீ மூர்ரா ஏய் நீ மூர்ரா
போல் बेटा
நீ மூர்ரா
ரெண்டு வாரம் பேசுற. தப்பு நான் சொல்லல, ட்ரை பண்ண, நான் தப்பே சொல்லல.
பாத்து பாப்பா
கூடயே இருக்கிறவங்க கூட ட்ரை பண்ண மாட்டேற.
Where is your mom from in Hyderabad, in Telangana? Sorry, in Andhra Pradesh. I mean entire Telugu state.
நாட் ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ். எங்க அம்மா தமிழ்நாடு தான்.
Tamil Nadu only.
தப்பரா கலி
ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ மதுரை, தேனி
Okay.
அங்கெல்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்லாங்ல தெலுங்கு பேசுவாங்க.
Okay.
இப்போ தெலுங்குல இருந்தே நிறைய பேர் போறாங்க இல்லைங்களா, அதுல இருந்து அந்த மாதிரி.
Acha.
I mean caste நாடார் செட்டியார்
Okay.
அந்த கேட்டகரி
Okay.
இங்கே கேஸ்ட் பார்ப்பாங்களா?
Huh?
கேஸ்ட்லாம் இங்கே பார்ப்பாங்களா?
I don't understand that.
அண்ணா கேஸ்ட் என்னண்ணா?
इंगे रखा अंद मारी हमें वहाँ पे कैसे बताया चेन्नई में सी कास्ट सब होता है
हाँ इधर भी है
नाडर चेटियार
இங்கே இருக்கு.
तो यहाँ पे भी मतलब ऐसे
இந்த ஊர்ல பார்த்தாலும் இருக்கும் போலயே அது.
है
हाँ है
तेलुगु में भी बहुत सारे रहेंगे ना
लेट्स से आई मीन सब चीज में कास्ट है ना इंडिया में कास्ट के बिना कैसे होगा
इरगड़ा इंगे
Yeah. इधर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है मतलब सिटी में ऐसा कुछ भी कोई किसी का
वहाँ पे भी सिटी में नहीं है
हाँ
मगर अब गांव में सब
गाँव
जाओगे ना,
सबका
वो दिखेगा।
I think in every village there is similar like people will ask you what which caste and all that. There are sometimes people who will sit in the backside and ask like
हाँ
which caste and all that. But it's okay.
क्या करना क्या उसको
I mean how does it matter? I mean to me people are just people. I mean are you a good person or not? That is important. How does it matter which community, which caste?
ஒரே விஷயம் தான் ஜி, நம்ம எவ்வளோதான் கீழே இருந்தாலும் ஒன்று தான், எவ்வளோதான் மேலே இருந்தாலும் ஒன்று தான். எல்லாரையும் நல்லபடியாக மதிக்க கற்றுக்கணும். டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
No.
నా
కొంచెం పైన ఉండాలి కింద ఉండాలి చెప్తున్నావా?
even if you are like
all person
जैसे आप गरीब भी हो या अमीर भी बन जाओ
Yeah.
मगर सबको रेस्पेक्ट करना
Yeah,
कितना भी
exactly.
अमीर हो जाओ you need to
Yeah.
respect everyone
This channel is also about that. Dignity of labor. Maybe like people don't speak properly with drivers sometimes.
Oh.
And sometimes drivers also speak a different way. Maybe I am frustrated, I'll speak to you in an angry tone. But this channel is about maybe spreading some positivity, telling people that okay, there is no good driver or bad driver. There is good person or bad person.
ఓకే.
Because humans are good or bad. Drivers are not good or bad. So spreading some positivity there. లోపల వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా అన్న? ఏడెళ్ళాలన్నా గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్? See, maybe what I can do is I can come back as well. Dropping you, I can come back, take some luggage and again drop you guys. Okay, don't worry about anything.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
You are our guest, bro. You are our guests. Welcome to Hyderabad. Here,
బ్యాకా? ఓకే ఓకే
what you do is take your luggage. There's the lift.
ఓకే
Go aram se, okay?
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ మీటింగ్.
Bro, lovely meeting you guys. Okay.